I congratulate my Indian friends.
It's a very important day for India, and I think we should all celebrate it.
Oh, it is a very auspicious day to celebrate Republic Day, and it is also a celebration of how much more important India is becoming to the business community here in Shanghai.
India's for celebrating 77-year anniversary today. I wish you all of them best of luck and prosperities. Thank you.
Peru and India are countries, partner countries in many things, in trade,